for a big joint. What's up, everybody? We're here in Barcelona, Plaza, ending the day. Just had a good street session. After, we're going to Root Skateshop and for the premiere of the Homeboy video. It's gonna be a good night. Can't wait to see it. Shit, more pressure. Gee. Weird feeling, crazy. Nice. My Italian boy, Davidino. Mafioso. First time, bro. Yes. So sick.
First time.
So sick. This trick, yeah.
It looks really nice.
Thanks, thank you, Barcelona.
I wanna do one more, but my board don't work. What I should do?
Gotta try that one more.
No, back on it.
Yeah, that's super dope.
Hi. Let's go to the premiere, please. Hi, one more. Look.
We see the Root Skateshop now, and over there gonna be the premiere. Let's do it. Gasolina. Gasolina.
What's up, man? Everything good. Homie.
Homeboy premiere, post scriptum, all the boys here in Barcelona. We're just gonna start soon, baby.
Who wears the whitest pants in the team?
Davidino or Mateos, I would say.
Mateo.
What's that?
Who got the whitest pants in the video?
Fuck.
Danny, no?
For sure. Or Mateos. Danny or Mateos?
Mateus.
Vanya Bas.
Oh shit.
Not
Vanya.
People think you are wearing the whitest pants.
Me? Nah.
I heard two people already.
Oh shit, I think Mateos.
I know Aimu is the big one now. I miss to him. Mine is big, but Aimu is the king.
What do you think? Who got the first part and who got the last part?
I'm who got a part?
Who got a part?
I'm gonna say I'm who got last part. I'm just gonna go out on a limb. Love to say Wanya opens this shit up. I would love to that. That would be like a dream.
What do you think? Who got the first part and who got the last part?
You got the first part. You got the last part. Damn.
Now, but let me think for a second. But then first Mateos, then Vanya.
Mateus. That's it.
Aqui, ó, esse daqui, ó, como?
I think the first one gonna be the Japanese guy.
Aimu.
Yeah, I
alright.
know. And I think the last one gonna be you, Majizi.
Wow. Damn, Brazilian guys always know, dog.
Let's go, homeboy!
Yeah, dude.
Shout out to fucking Root Skateshop. That's the video. Let's go. Let's go.
¡Oh, falta!